All right, so I'm Chris with Carry On USA. This is Bradley. He has a Revo 4-wheel. Now he has a GB 120, something easier to take in and out the car. So watch him take it apart. He kept the battery in. He could remove the battery, but he kept it in. So I'm gonna grab his seat. Seat's 12 pounds. He's gonna put it on top. We have a basket on there, but he can still put it there.
And there we are.
And that you can push it with that.
Okay, this is our free wheel.
Yep, put it in free wheel and push it. No, put it in free wheel. Yep, now push it and lock it back. Bradley, what do you think about that?
Outstanding. Very easy.
Is it easy? Uh-oh.
Much easier than my other scooter.
So are you
Thank you
happy?
so much.
You happy?
Very happy. Thank you.
Thank
They'll
you.
do an awesome job.
Thank you.